Recycle your waste with Bramidan balers. Try our range of small, medium, and large. The small series. These balers have a press force of 6,600 to 22,000 pounds and a bale weight of 65 to 285 pounds. Compact your recyclables by up to 90% using B3 and B4 from our small footprint baler series. With a very small footprint and single-phase connection, they are easy to put in place. They are simple to operate. They meet the ANSI and OSHA standards. The B3 and B4 have these differences. Load your recyclables directly at the waste source. Push the green Start button and walk away. When you return, the baler is ready for loading again. Efficient retainers keep down the recycling material. The balers have a low noise level. Both B3 and B4 are equipped with a full indicator light which flashes when the baler is full. A safety blade is mounted for cutting the strapping. You open the door with a safe threaded spindle. Now you can tie off the finished bale. The B4 has automatic bale ejection. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation. For the B3, you remove the bale by using a provided handcart. These machines are perfect for a variety of industries, including bakeries, butchers, shoe stores, grocery stores, fast food chains, gas and service stations, auto repair shops, hotels and restaurants. You can compact various types of waste like cardboard and plastic. Let's sum up. Fits through a standard door. The balers are easy to move, can be placed close to the wall and secured, equipped with easily understood pictograms, easy access to strap rolls. They have an automatic full indicator light. The B4 is whisper quiet and offers automatic bale ejection and high-density bales.